Now we're adding and subtracting fractions which have different denominators, but you'll notice 7 and 3 don't make a nice pair because 7s can't be divided by anything to make 3. So this time, I know I'm going to need to change both my fractions. I still do equivalence in columns, count down, 1, 2, line, 1, 2, line. But this time, I need to choose my denominator carefully because it can't be 7 and it can't be 3. I'm going to pick the first number, which is a multiple of 7 and of 3. And in this case, you can just find it by multiplying them by each other. So it's 21. 7 3 is 21. But I have to do different things to each side. The 7 has been multiplied by 3. The 3 has been multiplied by 7. So apply that to your numerators too. 6 3s are 18 and 7 2s are 14. Add them both up and I get 18 plus 14. I get 32 over 21. Now that does give me an improper fraction, but that is absolutely fine. The numerator can be bigger than the denominator and it'd be an accurate answer. It just means it's more than 1. And you could even convert that to a mixed number, but we'll do that in another time. This time you'll notice that fifths and ninths don't go nicely together, so I need to do a bit of working out here. 1, 2, line, 1, 2, line. And you'll notice that the first number that 9 and 5 share as a multiple is 45 because it's in the 5s and it's in the 9s. And again, it's been created by multiplying them by each other. So the 5 has been times by 9 and the 9 has been times by 5. 1 times 9, or 9 ones are 9, and 5 2s are 10. And now I've got 19 45ths. Or 19 over 45 works exactly the same with subtraction. But in this case, you might notice that you won't find the lowest common multiple by multiplying it by 4. You could use 32 as your common denominator, but there is a lower one which would be easier to work with, and it's 16 because it's the first number in the 4s and in the 8s. So 4 has been multiplied by 4 and 8 has only been doubled. So apply that. 4 ones are 4 and 2 ones are 2, and I can subtract them nicely. 4 take away 2 gives me 2 16ths, and that can be simplified because they both share a factor of 2, and that is the same as 1/8.